Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a really kind of deep clean of my bedroom. It was a hot mess. There was just like stuff from when we came back from vacation. There was a bunch of laundry. There were snacks, as there usually are in my room. It was a mess. So we're just going to go ahead and clean up this room. So what I tend to do when I'm facing a room that's super messy is I generally always deal with the clothes first because I feel like the clothes tend to take up the most space. And, once you kind of get those out of the way, I feel like, the rest of the cleaning tends to go by pretty fast. As you can see here, I am not proud, but I am doing the sniff test on a lot of these clothes because I know a lot of them are clean, but I also know some of them are not. And so I'm just sort of sorting through. I'm putting all the clean clothes on my bed and setting aside all the dirty ones so that we can go ahead and get those washed.
I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that for me?
Next, I'm going to be getting these suitcases out of the room finally. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks since those have been in our room, so I was happy to get them out. And then getting out some of Shane's gear that was sort of just laying around.
Close your eyes where you dream for me. Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me.
So now I'm just going in here and vacuuming all this crud off the floor between Lily like eating goldfish and little snacks and stuff and like having the clothes on the floor so they're like trapping dust and dirt and stuff. This room needed to be vacuumed so bad. Now I'm just removing any little like snack things off the side tables and getting them more organized looking. And then once we are finished there, I'm gonna go ahead and start tackling the laundry. So I did end up washing all those dirty clothes and then bringing the remainder upstairs. I started filming later in the night actually, when Lily went to bed because she is notorious for trying to, as I'm folding things, she will then unfold them and, take them out of their piles. And it frustrates me so much. So I wait to, fold clothes and stuff when she is not around. So yeah, she went to sleep and now I'm just folding this massive pile of clothes to get them all ready to be put away.
On my mind,
Now for the clothes that I hang up, I saw another mom on YouTube do this. I'm not sure of who it was. I think it might have been like This Crazy Life or someone. They lay out all their hanging clothes in like a nice neat pile. Hello, Lily's got a phone. And then they take one by one and put the hangers on and just fold them down as you see I'm doing here. And basically it just makes it, you know, go by faster, the hanging process, because then you can just like pick them all up at the end. And I definitely think it is much faster. So I put those on hangers and put them away. And now I am going in and just putting away in the drawers and everything, all the clothes that I folded that go in our bedroom.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Next, I'm going to be wiping down our dresser because it got a bit dusty, especially the TV. And I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This is the Rain scent. I'm not sure of the exact name, but I know it's Rain something. I love, love, love the way this stuff smells, and it works really well on the TV. So then we are going to go into this bathroom. I only ended up doing the sink and the toilet because we really only actually use this bathroom for like brushing teeth and going to the restroom. But we tend to use our other bathroom, which is larger, for actually taking showers and stuff. So I didn't need to wash the shower because we hadn't used it since the last time I washed it. So I just used the same Method Glass and Surface Cleaner to kind of wipe down the tops of everything, wipe down, you know, the metal pieces in here, and I also used it to wipe down the mirror and everything. And then once I was done with that, I did clean the toilet because, like I said, we do actually use the toilet in here. So I'm using the Method antibacterial wipes, which I actually like a lot. I love the scent. It's a very clean kind of citrusy smell. It's really nice. And I'm using those to wipe down all over the lid and everything. Sorry if you can hear Lily. And I always make sure I get along the bottom of the toilet in the back there because somehow, you know, pee can get back there. It's the weirdest thing. And then I'm using these Clorox toilet wands, which I really, really enjoy. I actually need to get some refills. And using that to clean out the toilet. And that's it. So it was kind of a quick video just showing you me kind of going through and doing a little bit of a deep clean on our master bedroom, which really needed it. And now we're sort of at a place where it's like reset and looking really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I have another new video coming soon. It's gonna be a clean and decorate for fall. So I'm really excited to show that to you guys. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on post notifications so you don't miss that video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.